Hello, dear friends. How are you doing? My name is Adam, and I have prepared a great challenge for you. 2 streetcars and a car on the main road. Who will move first at the intersection? Which vehicle should the driver of the green car give way to? Answer options. 1. 2 streetcars. 2. Only the yellow streetcar. 3. Only the blue streetcar. 4. To a yellow streetcar and a red car. 5. Should give way to everyone. 6. Must not give way to anyone. Friends, think very carefully. You have 30 seconds. Task analysis. For vehicles have approached an intersection. The streetcars and the red car go straight through, and the green car turns left. The intersection is unregulated, but there are signs, main road, and direction of main road. Everyone is on the main road except the blue streetcar, which means that it is its driver who will pass last. Since all other drivers are on equal signal roads, the driver of the yellow streetcar has the advantage, because on equal signal roads, the streetcar always has the advantage regardless of the direction of its movement. The driver of the red car has no such advantage and is obliged to give way to the driver of the green car. We read the traffic rules. At the intersection of equivalent roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle is obliged to give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where traffic circles are organized. Hence, at the intersection in the depicted situation, the driver of the green car is obliged to give way only to the yellow streetcar. Correct answer number 2. Write your answers below in the comments. Put a like, share the video with friends, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone, and see you soon.